Planet CloudNMS Lesson Part 2, Platform Overview and Configurations. For this lesson, we will take you step by step on using the CloudNMS and making configurations. When you log in, the first page you'll see is the main dashboard. At the top, you can select the organization and network you would like to monitor and manage. From here, you'll see the current network statuses of your switches, access points, and other devices you've added to CloudNMS. Scroll down on the left is the Network Event Summary, where it'll display the latest events from your devices. On the right is the map, which displays the device location. You can click on the device to get a quick overview of the device information. The CloudNMS app on your phone can also give an overview of your network and device status while also adjusting simple settings. But the main configuration will still need to be done on the web version, which will go into more details in this lesson. Clicking on Topology in the side menu will take you to the Topology map, which displays all devices within your network and shows which devices are connected to each other. Click on each device icon to view the device information. The filter selection can highlight specific devices. The settings icon allows you to change the layout between physics and hierarchical structure. When clicking on device, the menu will drop down to show switches, access points, routers, and network devices. We'll choose switches. Here you'll see all the switches that are added to your network. On the right of each device, you'll see icons for device information. Configure the settings, reboot, or remove it from your network. Clicking on the information icon will take you to the switch information page. Here you can view the general information, such as the model, MAC address, and firmware. The map displays the current location of the device you've selected. The network status displays will display information, including PoE consumption and ERPS status. For this switch, you can scroll down and view the current port status. Green represents connected. Orange means PoE is being used. Blue is the uplink for the switch. Scroll down further is the device resource overview showing the latest uplink usage for one of the ports. The duration can be adjusted to view usage based on hours, days, weeks, etc. If PoE ports are being used, the total PoE budget and current consumption record can also be viewed. To make configurations to the switch, scroll to the top and click on this icon. At the bottom is the system configuration. It displays the switch's data rate from the uplink port. You can also enable or disable settings, including LLDP, SNMP, and IGMP. Be sure to click on Save Configuration after you've adjusted the settings. In the Port tab, you can view each port status, including the speed, data usage, and PoE consumption. To make configuration to each port, click on the port number. From here, you can enable or disable the port. Change the name, link speed, STP, and LLDP. Switches with PoE function can adjust PoE mode, PD type, and PoE priority. You can also configure the power over Ethernet extend mode to extend the reach of your PoE network. And configure PoE Alive check, so the system will check in to ensure connected PoE devices are operating normally. Click on Configure to save the settings. Clicking on the VLAN tab will show the current assigned VLAN, untagged, and tagged ports. The NTP tab lets you set the SNTP status and change the time zone and daylight savings. The syslog tab lets you change the status, server IP address, server port, and the severity of the switch. Now let's check out the device information and configuration for access points. Same as the switches information page. The user can see the device information on the left and the map location on the right. Scroll to the bottom, you'll see the LAN data usage. Further down is the data for both 2.4 and 5 GHz. For the wireless AP configuration page, you can enable both 2.4 and 5 GHz, change the IP type, and enable mesh and web-based graphical user interface. Then click on Save Configuration. In the Wireless tab, you can make configuration to each frequency, such as enabling wireless function, adjusting or hide the SSID of the AP, changing the AP wireless mode and channels, adjusting the type of security encryptions you would like to apply, and changing the passphrase and VLAN ID. If the access point has a virtual AP function, you will see at the top where you can also make individual configurations for each virtual AP. The same configuration can be applied to the 5 GHz tab. In the Advanced tab, users can further configure the speed by changing the TX power, client limit, RSSI threshold, and client isolation. Same as the switch, the NTP and syslog can be configured for the AP. The map page is where it lists out all the devices added to the CloudNMS platform and the location on the Google map. You can directly remove devices on this page, or click on the icon in the map, which will take you to the device's information page. Click on Inventory under the Organization-wide section. You'll see a detailed list of devices in all your networks. You can select a group of devices and change its organization, network, or remove them. You can also do the same action for individual devices by going to the right side and click on the Action tab. Thank you for watching part 2 of the CloudNMS lesson. We hope this helps you have a better understanding of using this platform. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our Planet representative.
Planet Technology is your trustworthy partner.